There are many reasons why purchasing a garage door may become a reality for homeowners. Whether your old door is damaged in an accident or you're simply looking for a more appealing exterior of your home, purchasing a new door can give your home an instant facelift and make a dramatic difference in the resale value of your home and the appearance as well. Instead of purchasing your new garage door at a local store, you should think of the advantages of getting your door online. Not only are you going to find a much larger range in design and styles, you will also find the prices to range much more than at most stores. To buy a garage door online, you will need to figure out your main criteria and spend time looking into what is available in your price range. When walking through a typical store, you will likely find their selection of doors and products in general to be very limited. Even specialized stores may have a few different doors and a couple